world where innovation meets security, Elbit Systems leads the way, empowering nations, organizations, and communities. With over 21,000 professionals worldwide, we design, develop, and deliver cutting-edge defense technologies that provide operational superiority. From state-of-the-art aerial systems to world-leading directed energy, high-powered laser technologies, and the full digitization of armed forces, we deliver solutions that safeguard air, land, and sea. Through our Being Local strategy, we ensure that every solution is tailored to the unique needs of each region and its armed forces, strengthening national security while creating jobs and enhancing local economies. Supporting defense forces with real-time mission-critical capabilities. Elbit Systems ensures operational excellence where it matters most. Elbit Systems, innovating for a safer, more secure world.